If YouTube is missing on your Chromebook, then this video is for you. Here you can see, here we don't have any YouTube shortcut on our Chromebook itself. Also, if you click on App Launcher and here in the app drawer, you will not get YouTube application. If you're facing the same issue, then you can easily fix it. For that, simply follow this troubleshooting method. First of all, click on clock, Wi-Fi and battery icon, then click on power button and click on restart. Once you have restarted your device, simply check for YouTube application in the app drawer. If you're still facing the issue, then you can simply open settings, click on about Chrome OS option and click on check for updates and update your Chromebook to the latest Chrome OS version. After that, click on app launcher icon, look for apps and games application, open it and search for YouTube. And from the search result, select the application and click on install from web. Now here you will get the installation window. Click on install button and wait for the installation process to complete. Once done, simply close the window and click on app launcher icon. And here you will get YouTube application. If you want, you can simply pin YouTube icon to the Chromebook self. For that, right click on it, then click on pin to self. Now if you want, you can also change the position. Now simply click on this icon to open and use YouTube application on your Chromebook. So that's it. This is how you can fix YouTube missing on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.